Developed by a gynecologist. Wait, is this for the South Pole region? Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you're curious what comes in the September test tube, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so the last few test tubes have been not the best. I feel like this box here is the ultimate box. So it better blow me away, or if it's kind of mediocre again, I think it may be time to cancel. Alright, well, let's put positivity out into the universe and do this, that it's a good box. Yeah, no, it went on a really good streak, and it was like beating out or up there with BoxyCharm, and then it just like took a dive to shit town. Weird products. For anyone who isn't aware, Testtube is a bi-monthly, every other month beauty subscription that is $29.95. And you receive, I believe it's 8 items in a tube. And the reason you get a box is because not everything fits inside the tube. So let me reach in and grab the items that are outside the tube, and then we'll dive into the tube. All right, so what is this first item? Oh, well, here we have LIPO-SPHERIC B Complex Plus. Okay, well, my first, they tend to give a lot of supplements, and these types of products are what make me not like this box so much. However, a little TMI, I have a vitamin B12 deficiency. What kind of, is this B complex? Oh, although it's the kind you gotta put in a drink. Anyways, so, okay. But this is random. Not everyone has problems with vitamin B. But, okay, I just so happen to. I will give that a try. Next item outside the box. Ooh, I have a feeling my viewers are going to be jealous. I assume this is some kind of hair product. What is this? Saints and Sinners SUPERFRESH. Yes! Dry shampoo. One of the few hair care products that I use and enjoy on a regular basis. And I'm like low on dry shampoo, so this came at the perfect time. All right, let's see what the scent is like. Oh, that smells nice. Don't ask me. It smells like lovely hair care products. There's a brand that always smells really good, and it smells similar to that brand. What is that brand? It will go flying across the screen because I can't remember. All right, next item. I have received these, and I want to say in this box. Maybe not. Oh, maybe it was Allure. And the only reason I remember is because of this. It looks like you're in the hospital with an IV. These are MEDIHEAL D.N.A Hydrating Protein Mask. And we have 2 of them. I just personally don't enjoy wearing face masks as much as I love skincare, and my skin's dry and you need moisturization. You would think I would like these. I'm just lazy. I don't, something on my face. Anyways, future giveaway. All right, let's dive into the actual test tube. Yay, and we have a new color, I think. It's very reminiscent of like 60s mod to me. And I just got another whiff of that dry hairspray. It smells very good. All right. What is in the actual tube? It's quite full. Ooh, I see a brand I know and like. This is from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. What? Oh, okay. So there are a bunch of little foil packs. It's a 2-step process. All right, step 1 is exfoliate and smooth. And step 2 is anti-aging neutralizer. And I don't think, yeah, no, there's like a little towelette in there. Well, that'll be easy. You don't gotta put something on a cotton swab. You can just 1, 2. Okay. Not mad at that product. Next item. This is from Yes2. And it's the Cucumbers Daily Eye Treatment. I actually like Yes2. It's a very affordable brand. It is very scented. So, and I have tried their micellar water as well as their, what do you call those? Disposable kind of beauty wipes. Both in the scent of cucumber because I really enjoy that. The problem is if you have sensitive skin, it is very fragranced. So I tried to not use it as much because I didn't want to desensitize my skin. But I do enjoy the scent. All right. Yes, you know I love eye products. Let's see. Ooh, it's quite thick and a lot squirted out. That's way too much for under the eye. Yep, smells like the cucumber. Okay, well, hopefully it doesn't creep into my eye and sting, but I love the scent of cucumber. All right, next item. What is this? DEOSPRAY Intimate from DEODOC. It's a pH balance, refreshing and deodorizing, developed by a gynecologist. Wait, is this for the South Pole region? I do not know what this is. Okay. Confused. Let me get out my friend here. Let's see. It says direction. Shake well. All right. Spray from a distance of 8 to 12 inches on external southern pole region that is normally covered with hair. This is where the sweat glands are located. TMI. Interesting. All right. Well, I'm just going to put this back in the box and move along to the next item. This is what I mean about this box. You can get some very interesting new and different products. They all aren't great, but interesting. All right, what is this? Oh, I hate getting stuff like this. All right, this is Daily Concepts. I've received Daily Concepts in numerous different beauty subscription boxes. This is I'm going to say it wrong. Geisha Jade Tool. Is that how you spell geisha? Or is that a guasha? It's one of those, you scrape it along your face, and again, I'm a lazy girl. I don't know that I will use this. And it's hard to get out of the box. Anyways, it's shaped kind of like that so it can go along your jawline. What is this? Is this a duplicate? This is from BYBI. It's a strawberry booster. Oh, it's a facial oil. I believe the other product that I got was a serum. Which I still haven't tried. Maybe when I find what I did with that strawberry serum, I can use it at the same time as the strawberry facial oil. All right, last item. We have a little chapstick, which is from Mood Defend, and it's Blue Defense. And it says, oh, it has CBD. And it actually is blue. Oh, and it kind of smells like blueberries, maybe-ish. But then there's like a funky CBD scent. So, all right, I love and use lip balms all the time. All right, let's recap what came in this box. So we got a CBD lip balm, a strawberry facial oil, a cucumber eye cream, a coconut intimate southern region spray, a daily 2-step exfoliating treatment, a couple of hydrating protein face masks, some B complex supplements, a JADE tool, and a dry shampoo. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are I think it's time to cancel. I skipped the last VIP. It was just too close to the other one I did. And for once, thank God, I don't like seeing spoilers, but I wasn't very impressed. And it was like expensive, so I skipped it. But I did sign up for the one coming at the end of this month. Maybe I should just do that. Eesh. I know I'm going to experience some FOMO. And I have a feeling I paid for this like at a year at a time. So I think I'm going to cancel. But if you see me in 2 months unboxing, it just means I'm prepaid up. Let me know your thoughts. I'm going to list on the screen the grand total for the MSRP. This box notoriously has a very good MSRP. It's mainly, there is zero makeup. There's rarely makeup, but this month in particular is zero makeup. Lots of skincare. Too many funky, weird, like we've gotten toothpaste. Do I need a southern, region spray? And I just so happen to need vitamin B. I don't care if it's flu or for vitamin C. I don't like putting stuff in water and drinking it. I'm just a picky eater. Water. That's all I drink is ice water. I will try it, but it's probably going to taste like, ugh. Maybe not. I like a pill. 2 seconds, gone. TMI. Okay, this is good, but there's only 5 uses. I don't use face masks. This smells really good, and I was in need of a new dry hairspray, so yay for that. Face oil, not my favorite. It's too deep into all of the skincare stuff. I have some that I haven't even opened or gone through. So yes, there are my thoughts. Not the best, but actually I would argue this is one of the worst boxes. Slightly better than, I think the last box was really bad. This one is not much better. All right, there we go. Just being honest. Used to be up there, Testtube, but all right, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Make sure you click the like button. Leave me a comment. Both those activities really help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.